Hey guys, thank you all so much for being willing to be a part of our digital accessibility video series. I'm really excited to get this started because I know it's going to be a wonderful thing if we can increase digital accessibility for our faculty, for our staff, and especially for our students. And also we can meet the requirements of a few laws while we're at it. So it's going to be a really good thing. And again, thank you so much. What I want to do in today's quick tutorial is just talk you through a little bit of Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is going to do a lot, but what we specifically want to focus on today are the recording capabilities and also the screen sharing capabilities. So in order to be able to do those things, you do have to be a moderator for the session, or AKA the big boss of the session. So I have given all of you moderator privileges within the link that I have sent you for your Blackboard Collaborate session. I want to encourage you to open up another tab as you watch this tutorial that I'm giving you, and then that way you can just play and still pause my portion of it as you are in your own session. You can go into your session as many times as you want. I've left them open for an extended period of time. It's a really good thing to go in and play around with exactly how, exactly how Blackboard Collaborate looks, so that when you are ready to create your video, hopefully you won't have to do it over and over and over because you are accustomed to how everything works within your session. So what you'll need to do next is you need to go ahead and go back to the email that I sent you and copy your Blackboard Collaborate URL and go ahead and paste it into your browser, and we will be ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Okay, so once you copy and paste your URL into your browser, you're going to get this screen asking you to join. You can type in whatever name that you want to be. You can be whoever you want to be today, and then you will need to click Join Session. Once you do that, you're going to come up on this screen. This is where you're going to give microphone and video privileges within your Blackboard session. So you'll need to click on these two tabs at the bottom, the microphone and the camera, and it will probably ask you a couple of questions about, is your microphone working? Are you allowing, and things of that nature. Once you say that you can share the video, your video is going to pop down in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. So you are still there, but it will not take up all of your screen. All right, the next thing that we need to do is we need to prepare to start our recording. So in the top left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to have three little lines donating some menu options. So if you will go ahead and click on the three lines, you will see this Start Recording tab. If you do not see that, then I have goofed up. You need to let me know that I need to fix it. I want to give you a heads up that Blackboard does not give you a 3, 2, 1 or a get ready, set, go to start recording. As soon as you click start recording, it is go time. So have on your very best smile. Next, in this bottom right-hand corner, this little purple arrow, this is going to be another area that is saying, hey, there is a menu here for you. So when you are ready to start sharing your screen, you will need to click on this purple arrow to open up that menu option. Also, once you are recording, it is going to tell you in the top right-hand corner of your screen that you are recording. Okay, once you click on the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, this is the menu that will come up. You will need to click this little arrow right here at the bottom where it says Share Content, and that is going to take you to this. And here is where you actually want to begin sharing your application or your screen. That will take you from what the webcam is showing to whatever is on your screen. A couple of things that I want to tell you guys here. Once you begin sharing your screen, at the bottom of your screen, there's going to be a blue tab that says Stop Sharing. As long as that is going on, you know that Blackboard Collaborate is sharing your screen. If you want to toggle back and forth between sharing the screen and the webcam, then you can use that tab. You can also click the Stop button that's going to be right beside. It's going to show up right here once you start sharing your screen. Okay, Now, just FYI for those of you that have two monitors, if you have two monitors, it's going to ask you which screen that you want to share. So you'll need to be sure and choose that, and then, of course, click your Share tab from there. Next, this was a little scary for me the first time this happened because it does this. Blackboard Collaborate is going to do this weird tunnel vision thing. So don't think that your computer is broken. That's exactly what I thought. And so I threw this slide in here too to let you know. No, you're good. This just not, you don't want that. It's just a weird Blackboard thing. Once you are sharing your screen, you can share whatever screen you want. You can share it in Word, in PowerPoint, you can go to a website, and it's going to record you because you've already started your recording. It's going to record all of the steps that you take as you go through that process. So this is really going to be the bulk of your video here. Lastly, whenever you are ready to stop recording, you'll go right back up to the top right hand corner, and you'll have to go back to the tab where your Blackboard Collaborate session is over. So make sure that you are in that tab. You can see up here at the top, that's where I was, so I could get back to this screen. I'm going to go back to the menu, and I'm going to stop recording there. Again, as you are recording, if you want to toggle back and forth between screen sharing and the webcam, that's perfectly fine. Because, of course, what I'd really like to see is a little bit of everyone's own personal flair as we go through this video series, because nobody definitely does not want to, no one does not want to see me do all of these, and I think it'll be a really fun thing to see people from all walks of life, from all over our campus, from faculty and staff, to sharing tutorials and testimonials about how we can increase accessibility, but also how increasing accessibility has helped students. So I just can't thank you guys enough. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. If I don't know the answer, I will help you find someone who does. Thanks, guys.